Hey loves, welcome back to another recipe, and on today's recipe we're going to be making this mouth-watering triangle shaped donut. So let's jump right into the video. So into a clean bowl, I'll add in my wet ingredients, which I'm using some warm milk. I'll add in my sugar, some yeast. I'm using instant yeast, one whole large egg, and I'll whisk this all together. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'll whisk this and set it aside. So into another dry bowl, I'll add in my dried ingredients. So all the ingredients and measurements of ingredients used on this recipe is going to be pinned on the comment section and on the description box. Do check it out. So I'll add in some baking powder, pinch of salt, and I'll mix it up together. So right now I'll go ahead and pour in my wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and I'll go ahead and mix this up together and knead it into a dough. So guys, thank you very much for coming back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you will find this recipe helpful, and if you've got any question, please do go ahead and drop them on the comment section and I'll gladly reply to your comments. So after kneading the dough, I'll go ahead and add in some room temperature butter, and I'll use it to knead the dough. So after kneading the dough into a smooth dough, I'll go ahead and wet my bowl with a little bit of oil and make sure I smoothen the dough and cover it up. So I'm going to be leaving the dough for about 45 minutes to rise up, and at this point you can see the dough have risen. So I will sprinkle in a little bit of flour on my worktop, and I will knead the dough into a ball shape, and I'll go ahead and roll it out into a circular shape. So the purpose of rolling your dough into a circle is to get that triangle shaped donut size. So you need to roll it out into a circle. So at this point, I'll go ahead and use my pizza cutter to cut it into the triangle shape, which is what we're aiming for. And after cutting, I will transfer it into my baking tray, and I'll cover it up with a clean kitchen towel and allow it to proof for another 45 minutes. So I'm going to allow it to rise again for 45 minutes, and at this point you can see how it look like after keeping it in a warm place for 45 minutes. So now we're going to start frying the dough. I'll add in my frying oil into a wide pan, and we're going to be deep frying this. So as you can see, the oil is not too hot. You need the oil to be on a very low heat so it doesn't get burnt while the inside is not cooked. You can see how the oil look like. So you need your oil to be in this state so it doesn't burn your dough while it's not yet cooked. So we're frying this on a low medium heat. So guys, thank you very much once again for clicking on this video. If you find this recipe helpful at this point, please do go ahead and click on the subscribe button if you've not done so, and also click on the like button if you do enjoy this video. This is going to notify me to know that you guys love recipes like this, and I will make sure to always put up stuff like this for you guys. Thank you very much. So at this point, our donut is ready. I will take it off the oil and put it on a kitchen paper to drain off the excess oil, and I'll go ahead and keep on frying the other dough. So guys, at this point our donut is ready. I'll sprinkle in just a little bit of icing sugar, and voila, our donut is ready. You can enjoy this with your hot chocolate, coffee, anyhow you want it. Thank you very much for watching. Till I see you on our next recipe. Do have a beautiful day.